Hello, I'm Ellie, founder of A Startup Space. In 2025, we all find the economy keeps shifting, prices keep climbing, industries are transforming, and job security feels more uncertain than ever. More people today are asking, could building my own business be the answer? Most of us have pictured launching a startup, yet dreams often stall because we don't see the full reality of what starting a business requires. And the first step most people skip is learning what being a founder, also known as an entrepreneur, demands. After more than a decade working with over 250 entrepreneurs across 15 countries and 120 industries, I've seen the same pattern. People leap into business plans and advanced courses without first grasping the expectations of the entrepreneurship role. This often means investing personal savings, putting in long hours with no guarantees, and balancing hard choices between career, family, and personal time. You would never accept a job without knowing what it requires. So why would you take on the job of a founder role without knowing what it requires from you? According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, nearly 1 in 5 new startups close in the first year, often because the founder wasn't truly prepared. In fact, many of the primary reasons startups fail stem from the entrepreneur and their resources and capabilities. I'm here to help alleviate this all too common pain point, which is exactly why I created Entrepreneurship 101, the first course in a complete entrepreneurship and startup program. This series is modeled through a simple 4-stage process: discover, plan, launch, grow. In the discover phase, you'll intentionally start with Entrepreneurship 101 course, followed by a series of courses where you can develop the mindset and knowledge you need before investing serious time or money. Through self-assessment surveys, practical exercises, and candid behind-the-scenes lessons, you'll see what an entrepreneur's day really looks like and decide whether it's a right fit for you. If you choose to continue, you can progress through the rest of the courses that take you from A to Z in building and growing your startup idea. Each course is designed to be fully standalone, so you can dive into any topic as you need it, or, as I suggest, follow them in sequence for a complete guided journey. Unlike programs that stop at just explaining theory, this program draws on all of my expertise working with hundreds of founders, along with my involvement in accelerator and incubator programs and mentorship from serial CEOs in product development, funding, and rapid growth strategies. In this program, you'll be guided with a clear path, real-world examples, and hands-on exercises to help build out your startup as you progress. And you'll have me as your personal startup coach, guiding you every step of the way. If you're ready to discover what it truly takes to become a successful entrepreneur and to decide with confidence whether you're prepared to dive in, Entrepreneurship 101 course is your first step to jumpstarting this program. Let's begin your startup journey together with clarity and confidence.